Hi everybody, welcome to Japanese Cooking Lovers. I'm Chef Yuri. Today I will show you how to make tori no karage, which is Japanese style deep fry chicken. This recipe you will see everywhere in Japan, in Japanese tapas bar, izakaya, and also Bento lunchbox, and also any Japanese style restaurant, you may be able to find it. Everybody likes this recipe and very popular. And I will show you today how to make like a professional chef chicken karage deep fry. And I will show you those secrets in this video. I use chicken thigh, and usually Japanese people, this recipe is for chicken thigh recipe, and also we use skin the same time attached to it. And if you don't like it, you can take those things out, or maybe you're gonna use breast meat, but texture and juicy contents will be a little different. I recognize that in the United States, they don't sell potato starch. They use cornstarch for same kind of reason for potato starch that's we Japanese or Asian people use. You may be able to find potato starch at Asian store, so look for it. And this recipe I use rice flour too. So I combine those together, and that is more professional texture, but you will be able to use only potato starch. Don't use cornstarch instead. The secret method of how to deep fry, this method is twice deep fry it. This way, chicken will be very juicy and soft. It's not going to be dried out. So it's worth trying this method. And I'll show you how to do it. This is the perfect way to make tori no karaage. This is how to make Japanese style chicken deep fry karaage. And I hope you enjoyed my video, and hopefully you will make this recipe soon. And if you like my YouTube video, please subscribe. And this is Japanese Cooking Lovers. I'm Chef Yuri. Thanks for watching and see you next time.